I'm Jeremy Clute, Vice President of Products for Nlyte Software. Today, I'm happy to introduce our technology partners, DC Smarter. The guys at DC Smarter have done a great job, and their product, DC Vision, has captivated our data center customers who are always looking for the latest and greatest in technology offerings to help them increase their uptime and availability, as well as to reduce the risk of human error. So without further ado, please have a look at DC Vision. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Ismail Efendic and I'm CTO by DC Smarter. Today I want to show you in a brief video how DC Vision integration works with Nlyte Asset Optimizer. DC Vision is a mobile application. You can find it on Play Store, Apple Store. I have today with me an iPad, and in my office we have a small demo rack prepared for that use case. So let's start with the DC Vision and see what DC Vision can do. So once we are in the system, the DC Vision will communicate directly with your Nlyte instance. That's very important. There's no data going into the cloud or being streamed anywhere else. And we can now scan this unique marker which belongs to every rack. Once the marker is scanned, the DC Vision communicates, as I said, directly to the Nlyte instance, fetches the data, and then overlays the data over the physical environment. We can immediately see if there's any discrepancies, and let's see how we can document the data and correct that. So here's an example. I have on height unit 30 one device which is not in the system, and I want to record that. For that purpose, we can use our AI to scan for the device. This now processes the image feed, and then it is checking what kind of device is in front of me. Now we have here the message new device found, and we can see what that new device is. So we can see that the data is absolutely correct. Next to that, the DC Vision can scan any kind of asset tags, would it be in the form of barcodes or normal labels, and we can just use this now here, and we get immediately what kind of device this is. DC Vision at the same time will check if that type of a device with that asset tag already exists in the system, like I have it in my case, so we're not going to create a duplicate record. So what happens if I want to compare the data and see if they are matching with the existing documented data? So we can use DC Vision as well for that purpose. Again, using the AI, aiming at the device that I want to inspect. At the beginning, we're going to see first the red message saying, okay, there's some mismatch. Now we can see what kind of mismatch that is. Hardware and model and manufacturer matches. Now I should scan the asset tag and to see if it's really that unique device that we are referring to. So now I have here a tag in a form of a text. I grab that in, and we can see it is that device, but the labels are not matching. So again, can be part of the false documentation, which we can now directly correct or not. Within the DC Vision, we can also document and trace the connectivity. So for example, here we will overlay all the ports that are available on that device. The white ports will tell us there is a connection in place. Then we can see how that is being connected. Here we get additional information, what, how, and so on. We can switch between different ports just to see how they are connected. And for example, inside the rack now we have a connection, and it's going to create the augmented reality cable for us. In case we want to document a new connection, we can simply go here, say, hey, add connection. I want to connect it with this. We can scan again for the label. And then within a few seconds, we have a new connection created. As a last thing, what I want to show you, and this is really brief, is our audit mode capabilities. It's similar to the asset manager. You start with the specific location. I can here collect, I can see which racks I have. Then I will scan the same marker. After I scan the same marker, we're gonna get into the audit mode interface. And this will allow us to complete the audit per height unit, verify if the data is matching or not. So I hope you like the information I have shared today with you. For more details, contact us, DC Smarter on Nlyte, and we are happy to give you more information about that. Thank you.
Nlyte software defines modern data center infrastructure management.